So we just ended the video and forgot what the last step is, to reseal. Because of this adhesive is no longer gonna heat up and reseal again, and on the next windstorm that these can blow off, we're gonna just take some sealant. Oh, is this stuff already dried? There we go. Now you can use roofing glue, tar, cement, whatever. This stuff had a really good reviews, so wanted to give it a try, see how quickly it seals. But it's just one extra step that we're taking. These already have adhesive from the shingle, so it should be good. Yeah.